Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use timer on TikTok. Keep in mind that TikTok provides you with a timer feature that allows you to take a few second delay before you start recording a video and make a video with hands-free. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use it. Log into TikTok. Click on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Find and tap the timer icon on the right of the camera screen. Firstly, you need to choose the countdown time to start recording. It can be 3 or 10 seconds. Secondly, decide on when you want the recording to automatically stop. In this case, drag the red line in order to set recording limit. Once you're ready to record a video, hit the Start Shooting button. Now you can edit your video if you want. When you're happy with your video, press on the Next button. The only thing left to do is to post your video on TikTok. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use timer on TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.